Hello everybody, welcome to the Ground Transportation Schoolhouse video on how to change a dual wheel tire. I'm Staff Sergeant Fordner narrating. We have Staff Sergeant Castro and Staff Sergeant Boswell who'll be demonstrating everything for us. All right, to start off, what we want to do is we want to break our lug nuts. All right, Sergeant Castro's got the lug wrench there. He's just gonna break it, no more than two full turns. There we go. The reason we're only doing two full turns is because we've got those wedge plates in there. Now our tire is very stationary, but if you were going on over the road and you had a flat tire and you had to do this, you would have to break those wedge plates in there. So Sergeant Castro is going to demonstrate now how we properly break the wedge plate.
Make sure you stay clear of the pad.
Sergeant Castro is going to do it to all of them. There we go. Now that our pressure is released from those wedge plates, Sergeant Castro is going to finish taking off the lug nuts. Once we get close to the end, you can just take them off by hand. Now that you've got all your hardware off, this is where you're gonna need a partner. These big old tires are heavy. Sergeant Castro and Sergeant Boswell are gonna lift together as a team. Pull that tire off, roll it away. It's all flat and broken. Next up, we got a good look. We have our Dayton style wheel up in here with our spacer. As you can see, Sergeant Boswell holding it. That spacer provides positive space between the wheels so they're not rubbing up against each other. We have our contact surfaces. If you had a rag, you would want to wipe those down, make sure there's nothing, no dirt or any buildup or debris on there. Ours just sits here, so it's totally fine. All right, now we got our bat wheel off. Time to put the new wheel on. We're gonna put the spacer back on. We're gonna roll that tire over. And as they're installing it, they're making sure that they're putting the valve stems 180 degrees apart from each other. Working together as a team. Sergeant Boswell is going to hold it. Sergeant Castro starts putting on the lug nuts with the wedge plates. This is very important. Sergeant Castro's putting those wedge plates on. He's making sure that little lip goes in towards the spacer. If you don't put that spacer in that way, it's basically not doing anything. That's what builds up the pressure to hold the wheel in place. Sergeant Castro's putting one of the top lug nuts on. The second one, there it goes, so it'll hold in place. We're gonna install the rest of them in a star pattern. Now he's got them on there. I'm gonna take his lug wrench. He's gonna tighten them all down. Once again, doing that in a star pattern. Get them till they're good and tight. Now it's put back on. All you gotta do is put your tools up. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please direct them to your instructor. Always remember, be safe, wear your PPE and everything like that. Have a good day.